Christmas, ito, 23 Christmas na in San Pedro. And still, the energy is still there. So parang hindi pa rin nagbabago yung energy ko when I hear about, the word Christmas. Ang maganda yung mga message nyo kanina, it's all about forgiveness, it's all about loving, it's all about, sabi nga natin, it's all about family. Diba? It's all about family. So, alam ko na, lalo na ako, nagdadaanan ako ngayon, but I think with the help of you guys, kaya pasok lang ako ng pasok, parang yun ang makita na ang school, parang yun ang nagbibigay sa akin ng inspiration, to come to school, and also to forget about, mga nangyari in the past. It's barely 2 months. And it really pains me, really, to remember that. Kasi nga, considering that biglang gano'n, nagkwento na ng buhay. So it's always nice to share something to you. Kasi this is 47th anniversary namin, di ba? Right after that, nangyari yon. So, sabi ko nga, looking forward si husband ko na mag 50 years kami sa 2028. He was already trying to tell me, hanap ka ng venue, ganito na ito. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, ang lagi kong sagot, let's pray for that. Kasi life is uncertain. Laging alalahanin ninyo yan. Life is short and life is uncertain. Meaning to say, do what you can do to the best of your ability almost every day. Huwag niyo palalampasin yung mga araw na basta gano'n na lang. No. Make every day a special day. Kasi nga, you will never know. Mamaya, o bukas, after a year, or what, may mangyari hindi maganda. And we should always be trying to prepare. And I think I was able to prepare my husband because right after attending the Mass on October 7th, because it's our 47th anniversary, we were able to attend the Mass, receive the communion, pray the rosary at the shrine in Better Living, and then have a light dinner. So, sabi ko nga, who would think na darating yan? It's like a thief. No? Para siyang magnanakaw na biglang dumating without any preparation. Although as I reflect, piniprepare na pala ako. Piniprepare na pala ako with several yung mga nangyayari na sinishare ko lang yan sa iba. Piniprepare na pala ako. Pinaprime na. Pero he was not even, walang inkling yan sa kanya, that he would pass as fast as that. No? Siguro para sa kanya, masakit yun, mamatay, away from the family. But I think Mary, because it's the month of their Holy Rosary, and at the same time, the good Lord probably would say, sige na, hindi na natin pahihirapan ang asawa. Me, pag-alagain, pag-gastusin, and everything. Masakit, pero I find consolation sa mga friends, sa inyo, sa lahat ng tao who are all praying for us, praying for the family for healing. So, as I move forward, I want you also to realize, yun nga, as I have mentioned early on, just to go on, move on, step up, mag-level up tayo. Next year is another year. No? Hindi po tayo ay may nadinaanan, may mga pinagdadaanan, tayo ay, we just remain like that. Hindi. You have to do something, move forward, and do the best that you can be. Do the best that you can be. This year, we have also a lot of blessings, di ba? Kahit na meron mga pinagdadaanan, may mga blessings pa rin tayo. No? Meron tayong mga, like for example, I was happy talaga to see, ito rin huwag kayong sumama sa akin, pero I was able to see the effort of this little one sa kanyang mga ginagawa sa community. So I was so happy with the help of other faculty members like
Rana.